So so these are the little robins. These are the baby robins that are by the front door. They're hungry.
Wow.
And the story with the woodpecker, right, is...
So they don't have a mama?
Yeah, they do. So Terry, here's Terry.
Clutch though, so I think she's tired.
So Terry let Jujubee the woodpecker go, and she flew around our yard in this area over here for about, I don't know, almost 2 hours. And then they were going to Borders, and Jujubee flew back to where her cage used to be, is what it is now, but we put it back, and wanted to eat again.
TV. What are you doing?
So Jujubee is back in rehabilitation, right?
Yeah. She came back. Not ready.
She's not ready to be let go.
More applesauce? All done? All done? Okay. All done.
So Jujubee's back for another night.
The conclusion is...
So that's it.